Hi everyone, my name is Reena and I'm an educator in the area of mindfulness and wellness. I'm also somebody who lives with a skin condition called psoriasis. And since living with this skin condition, I am no stranger to pain and discomfort. I know that when I go through flare-ups or periods of a lot of pain, my habitual reaction, like many, is to turn away from it, right? Avoid it, reject it, just wanting the pain to go away. And that comes with a number of strong emotions such as frustration and anger, right? And it can be a really textured experience. But with mindfulness, I learned that I can actually approach my pain differently. So instead of turning away from it, I started to turn towards it. And when I turned towards it, it wasn't that I was trying to make it go away, right? I wasn't trying to make the pain go away, but I started to bring mindful attitudes to the experience, such as curiosity, patience, non-judgment, and even self-compassion or kindness towards myself. When we are able to bring mindful attention to our pain, it's not about removing the pain entirely, but instead it's about changing the way that we react to our pain. And this means that we're able to experience relief despite all the uncomfortable or strong physical sensations we might be having. So when we practice mindfulness, we start focusing on our body, right? Relaxing our body, noticing our breath, and then even bringing attention to the physical sensations that we're having. And not trying to judge them or change them, but instead just looking at what's here and accepting it as it is. And as we start doing that, we notice that we start to turn down the negative or worrisome thoughts in our head, and that again starts to give us some relief. So today I want to share a 5-step mindfulness practice with you that you can use the next time you're having a moment of deep pain or just want to try something different. So for each step, I'd say linger in each one for about a minute, longer if that works for you. So the first step is just to ground your body, right? So just getting as comfortable as possible, whether that's on a chair or on a cushion on the floor, maybe laying on your bed or on a couch. And then just inviting yourself to take deep breaths, which is going to relax your nervous system. And just bringing your attention to the weight of your body, maybe laying or sitting, noticing the shape and posture of your body, and just really coming into this present moment. The next step, step 2, is to shift to our neutral or pleasant sensations in our body. So you can choose an area where you may have no pain or maybe even pleasant sensations, and just stay there for about a minute and notice how it feels. The next step is to shift your attention to an area where you may be experiencing stronger feelings of pain or discomfort. So if it was your finger, you could look at it and really think about, investigate it with curiosity. What is my pain like? Is it burning? Is it stabbing? Is it dull? Is it sharp? Is it clenching or fiery? Does my pain move, or is it in one place? How deep is it going? Really, again, bringing your curiosity to this experience to really see what's there for you. And then the third step is again to go to that area where you had the pleasant sensations and focus there for another minute. And for the final and 5th step, it's to go back to your pain, but this time we do something a little different. So going back to the area where you may be having a lot of pain, noticing what's there for you and just breathing for a moment or two. Just kind of again, accepting what's present for you physically at the moment. And then inviting you to give yourself some kindness or self-compassion, right? In a way that makes sense for you. So maybe you just imagine holding that part of your body with care and compassion, or maybe you whisper some wishes of wellness to yourself, such as, may I be healthy. May I be free from pain. May I live with ease. And again, after you do that, noticing how it feels. And to wrap up, you take a few deep breaths and come back into the moment. I hope that you will try that practice, and I really appreciate you tuning in. I hope that it was educational for you as well. And I know that, again, living with pain can be a very textured experience, so please do be kind to yourself along the way. Thank you.